Imagine doubling your salary in a few years. As technology evolves, so do skills for high-paying jobs. By 2026, mastering key skills can boost your earning potential. Let's explore 5 essential LLM skills to learn now. First is natural language processing, NLP. This technology helps machines understand human language. It's crucial for chatbots and translation services. Companies need experts to optimize NLP effectively. Next is machine learning. This skill allows systems to learn from data. It's used across sectors, from finance to healthcare. Proficiency in machine learning makes you a valuable asset. The third skill is data analysis. This involves interpreting large data sets. Businesses rely on data-driven insights. Knowing how to analyze data enhances your work. Fourth is cloud computing. Many organizations are moving to the cloud. Understanding these services puts you ahead of competitors. It complements skills like data analysis and machine learning. Finally, consider AI ethics. As AI grows, ethical concerns emerge. Companies need people to navigate these dilemmas responsibly. Expertise here shows your forward-thinking mindset. To sum up, mastering NLP, machine learning, data analysis, cloud computing, and AI ethics can increase your salary. These skills are vital for success in the tech-driven future. Start enrolling in online courses today. Invest in your future and stand out in the job market. The earlier you start, the more prepared you'll be for these in-demand skills.